Koka fa baby am what do you
Koka story is one for
Tiam fa okra
well
there be me
I'm glad so hard you become as if I go and come back in Mazo one rubber ponchos Koka here and every I'm not young and old
what is the problem with the problem ni Koka the Lord problem with Sanoya
the say because Koka cry and I remember so or bola ya na ba say story now can
yeah I want him intelligence
you say who do penny there who dey be ponchi host Koka nyanze man every
we are police na agada and I direction and we intelligence say Koka na no ne Koka MBB ni Koka wa Koka asem bi ama police for afren na me bo asem si wie ye no na tie de lawyer so kan me bo oh
that angel na say you do di ani me na we ni jesu pa wo ko ma pa wo do so wo ma wo school case aye wo hine a o di atem want to me to ni oba report obi o shiwi oba report your family you do how you are already taking the side say we NDC ni okay say police is divided we understand but you know you have a family and you're just an officer, a civil servant. What you say? The battle has just begun.
A few moments later.
Was it the video now? Now I say, oh, issue threat be to a policeman, binana.
A policeman and not issue threat to Yamano. And on threatening will be a Yangaza internal security for the Bakwa, a friend of Boyo, and now Koka, and no, now because of say or a party security into the area, a police.
Okay.
I don't know what I can say, who police. Oh no, yate party ni onye party penyin ti no aso wa keka no ewo form na ono no onya tumi a obetre boyo se de etie na boyo so ebusuafo na ono no si ono na busu ne ne achi ne se ya na se se pata kwan so obe se ya it is an encounter an interaction between ono ali colleague ni nua enye bufu so ne ade a ntokwa bi anim but because the word police ever out no na Ghana police force so asuma or more taking into that angle now, or also responding to appropriately. He share as the day and you know, the police for the country and so on.
And not just the police mentioned in the video, no, now any police as in a Ghana police service officer.
David, any Ghana police officer.
Boy or no, my friend the police.
Boy, a friend the police.
Oh,
Obi any boy a friend police. Because boy or intelligence officer. It's a different intelligence, a different police, a different national security. And you know, a different. You don't know police, you know, and no margin and no consider they say Ghana police no refer to, or no only Ghana police in the assembly. Now, or the national Ghana police force. Now, at the time, you be or respected the Ghana police service. Now, Ocean and Kita would be on the Ghana police service. One, a more cordial, a more respectful than to see say or be threatening the Ghana police service. Never. Now, in
that video, at the time, on a boy on no is and not boy on no way. Not boy on the or the police okay videos media. You call and the blog is be. I don't boy. You don't know catch boy or boy on can of because police and and you know to have elevated this to the national level, no idea we can say, but sometimes the miscommunication
but lawyer no opinion. What do you say? What does your green do you say? Hey, we go best story. Come on, we want to cut us. Lawyer no opinion. I know we. What did you go for? I say, why go about how many of them police are vending?
I saw your public servant. Boy, no public servant.
Now public servant, all the two why you. we explanation no dey Monday nyansa plan no dey atomo how quite smart
we must accord this with some respect as Ghanaians
respect ni engine no how guys when you over respect no ni engine
respect
David ongo jindu za Ghana police ni engine no respect mo I don't know me
akona yeponu mo pacha man wono abi ojina no eye Accra Regional Police headquarters
okay ya wana kwa yo bawo guys wa agogo gwaje
Koka no kwa na ekasa nyame ni police wa
no ya na ekasa mada no anu eza agogo gwaje ayivie
na lawyer wenu nim time ko mu o tempt no bedemo
agwano gwaje ayivie se na na ebokuro yi eni egwachi no si won tro mu yesu ko tro de to aso na na ebokuro hu ban
unya asem na akofa we ya
wa winya na zisem kama se ya longo bano
kwagu anansi sem na statement na wo kan say it will be put to test
and so ba ko yo beka say me ya from civil servant yes I'm from police ubende
sasa me bai afa oti we NDC ni o so ase sa boyo no eye MPP ni do na
ona contradiction no ana mega boyo ba ku bizu ya
baka sa ba bi a mo ko akosia a mo lo enu ko kan na me di ni wo yawo ba o mia wo no wo che post wa ma tuko na wo be fie ha mfifre te wo pa nya sen
ya aduma ku baby
wa ma eti bi hu di enti ana wo ye cancel for nipa na ne ho aba asem no at least mo bi nte se lawyer idie at least no asem no kra fe na aba eti nko kire mu nche ye a wuche ma che se wo kan so wan kan nyansa sem bia what kind of nonsense is that
Koka fa baby ama no adin
Koka story is one
anti amfa okra there be me
no glass o ha ge bi kan bua ase me go dan kan wa gini mbazo onu wa be ponji house Koka yin ya na every adu adi anga no hondo
me problem with nyame problem ni Koka
me lord
problem with Sanoya
they be say because Koka kra na adi mba so ma obolo ya na ba say story now kan dey
yeah what is intelligence
you say who the umpeni ndi ya odi abe ponchi house Koka nyanze ma na every
we ma police na agada ana direction na we intelligence say Koka na no ne nko
we dey say we kalo tonko dey so anke no anu anga no wane to yanga yuku mini wale de wa analyze this story ni yenu so be nya fo uni za kometi ma ko fo bi se woni afa na IGP we no na ne je mra bi enu aje so bi to no ndi IGP story na fa bana na wa no wa obi agi ni mba so
ko fo dwan ko so e wona
ai ezi Koka ni ya ni adu Koka we enganu wodo enzo gami ngruma na Koka yama anye ya na every
ndet media je ko woni ko fa me respect wo mo
ala ni net azozo
woni ni ba me respect wo mo riasi na lawyers sa fe ni wo wie law school kra fe ni ocean law you are expected to
live out to a certain standard
yes ade we aye kan die eyo die ya kan wa he madam fujo de oton ko be okwa ya ho wonu na obi a obusa na otwitwa ade obi obetini aka se eti wo lawyer chambers no free no on fa ntrase
chamber no munyini free o mra ho
o fa ntrase for some loose comment
o yini je free chamber mra ho
Of say ya na eduma na omo ye na to de bia sinto wumti yemfa ne say one of those things a etasi wo eduma na oye de mo ni sinto
ye wo ye no e be ba obi am ye na kotum so don't sit there and say sinto yo ye e betimi am bo obi am ye na kotum
but nke so wie nu nko no anso analyze statement ni say okay nti e bisa say ya meyi anu say ye bitem say no anye because who is na wa ponchi ni de ama ade no hu ya ye bibi na nso kura ha wi
di baby a Koka de ba mu say wo ma ye nim school a omo ko no ne ade no it was a threat.
Yeah, that's true.
What is that? And now we are police ni we are public servant. Maka ni ma mienu abo.
Yeah.
Boy no, we are public servant.
na de na
ko ka say I do very good for national security. Okay, national. Wow.
na de na ko kan so wan be fa lawyer kwa me nkromi emu akwe ya say na say
offer nye law pa mo cho. Law.
Yeah, common sense.
no nke fie lawyer pocket lawyer
Enko offer no I see a party classic.
we got any article so you know you know you could have published it and go bet me defend the bueno so go tenacity you know analyzing here and you could have put up a story that could have defended the boy but we need who is now punch you woman there no dey
asam niam bi wo kwa na pleading with the police service.
But now unim say lawyer juma so unim say who your client now go follow you so on my dear ya to beat me you do sa don't work up in pine za go bi sa
no cause no ba ko bi sa say je dia kwa ni no say ye dey so wo concern ba me coffee
nanka enanka mmeka no ni na wie
just like that.
Okay, well, I'm on a problem. And I say, hey, boy, you know, I don't care.
Koka fa baby am no adin.
Koka story is one for.
Tiam fa okra.
Well,
there be me.
I go glass o ha ge bi kan bo as e be go dan kan wa gini mbazo. Won wa be ponji house. Koka yin ya na every. And what you can hold?
Me problem with the problem ni Koka.
The Lord
problem with San lawyer.
They be say because Koka cry na you number so ma or bola ya na ba say story now can dey.
I want him intelligence.
You say who do penny in there, who dey be punch house. Koka nyanze ma na every.
We are police na agada.
Hello. Inakafo nsahumati hawa oye committee kese a journalist what despite media what OKFM program do not describe the respond Koka ne lawyer oye Enoch Afuakwa original ama Koka bra police vote in Safran wo Accra regional headquarters what's in some keka ya threats them police in na ono na obi interview oye Koka ni lawyer or defending Enoch Afuakwa na responding na other men na sabi from some responding na other men say it's responding na be some part into a or Ghana School of Law and Pa or a lawyer. We all live in this country na yenyim how a NPP wotu as a party that is made up of legal brains, legal luminaries, and when you listen to the response of Enoch Afuakwa, you ask yourself, so we have the men lawyers and listen to such a defense Enoch Afuakwa put up for a client. You ask yourself, really? So no wonder na Kwame say on the show or describe the defense by the lawyer as in quotes nonsense. I don't think that abophobia look obionsi even law school kura common sense if you answer common sense would have taught you how to even handle such an issue. So listening to lawyer Afuakwa putting up such a defense, you ask yourself, I strongly believe that Afuakwa as law student, the lecturers are watching as the lecturers who lectured Enoch Afuakwa as a law student, and when they hear such a defense from their students, they will regret. They will regret. And the chamber ABR Enoch Afuakwa all receive training or undergo training. Tutelage, that chamber must be disappointed. Yeah, so Kwame say as someone reckoning, it is facts. I don't think that a lawyer of any sort, a lawyer worth, okay, obia we law school or graduates or practice will be putting up such childish defense for a client. So no wonder that Kwame say describe me defense as nonsense. That young question some kind of you see, sometimes it is hard. You have to face reality. You have to speak the truth. You have to let people know. I mean, when I heard it, I was a bit disappointed that Afuakwa, we have the men within the MPP. If you are defending a client, Koka Kasam, threatening a police officer at Accra Regional Police Headquarters, and when your client was invited, what happened at the police station, that invitation, a journalist call you asking you, and this is a defense you put up, telling the whole world that what from one and summer as a lawyer, a counsel for a client. Come on, sabi hina young see or your law school dumping, our straight pockets lawyers in some are yet lawyers or component, we will not even put up such a disgraceful defense. We will never put up such a childish, shameful defense. And this is why Odu Bibi na Reverend Mate say enyansafo no wayin. Messi the chamber or ye Afuakwa or practice women or receive new tutelage or undergo tutelage, the chamber must be disappointed. So this is the guy what was signing cases, sir. Come on. And people, we have the men. Lawyer enyimzifu imbrenyimfu mapawa wo MPP amayo kudumunene. What say there abente wakasa wo radio the defense oko put up for Koka and not one then. Woman yan kanu kware. Dibia sama no kware yan kan that let it not be because of politics intene no kware yabo truth no correction. Let it not be because of politics. We will throw our conscience, honesty, integrity to the dogs in the name of politics, partisan politics. And thus is what the bitter truth we are talking about. So no wonder Kwame Tikase described Afuakwa's defense that he put up for Koka as nonsense. No wonder. And I don't think that Kwame Tikase is wrong to have described that defense as nonsense. Reckless. I mean, look, Missy, someone who has not even stepped foot into a law school wouldn't put up such a defense. And Afakwa, the chamber within which he is undergoing practice, is receiving tutelage. They must be disappointed. Lecturers who lectured Afakwa, when they hear him such a defense coming from their student, I believe that those lecturers will be disappointed. Let truth be told. Remember, the show you are watching is the bitter truth. Truth is bitter, it must be told. Former President Nana Danko Akufo-Addo said, we should not be spectators, but citizens. Join us to be citizens. This is the bitter truth. If today is the first time you are watching this show, kindly subscribe to Ghana Bad News YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so that anytime we're having a program, you will be notified to be part of it. We are simply asking, have you heard the defense that Afakwa puts up for Koka? If you've heard it, how did you take it? Were you pleased as a counsel, as a lawyer? Were you happy? Would you have chosen him as a lawyer? This is what the bitter truth is asking. So then you know the canal no call me when I answer the Yense Yim on Ghana Bad News YouTube channel. I Brazimara subscribe to Ghana Bad News YouTube then. Nya ndoma na ondo dem no ya yiri djuma wa bonke na ze wonyim di abaka ho. Za ye bi sanyi dai sa ati Afakwa injini mo ko gina mako ka bra police photo nsafa na nsam okeka na oto den the lawyer ntwetwaje odoji Koka ne client nyi oto den ambe bofu to won de wo mbanyimfo not to den. Were you happy? No when you ji for wadwen chefa to comment section no. Yada say that's the data no one be I can no call me dwumedi.